There are 4 types of data validation: hard-coded values, cell reference, dynamic reference, and formulated reference. Let's see how can we create hard-coded values data validation. Go to Data and click on Data Validation. Select List in the first drop-down and type all the values you want in the drop-down. Make sure to add comma after each value. This is the result. Let's go to Reference drop-down. Go to Data and click on Data Validation. Select List in the first down. Click on the source icon and provide the values through reference. This is the result. Any values updated in the cell reference will change the drop-down values automatically. In dynamic reference, any new value added in the list will automatically pop up in the drop-down. First step is to convert your list of values to table. Go to Home, click on Format as Table and select any table. Now follow the same process. Go to Data and click on Data Validation. Select List in the first drop-down and click on Source icon. Go to your list and select all the values except header. Any new values added in the list will be pop up to the drop-down automatically. Formulated reference works on formula. You can add logical condition to show multiple reference or dependent references. Go to Data and click on Data Validation. Select List in the first drop-down and write logical function in the source to pick up multiple reference. I will use option 1 drop-down as the dependent values. Based on that drop-down, my option 4 will be picked up. Option 4 values are getting automatically changed when the option 1 is selected. That's called dynamic formulated drop-down or formulated conditional formatting.